Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Marcel and I are here today and we're going to be heading up to Chappy. Alright, so let's take the journey while we talk. Alright, so this morning we are going to...
You know what time now? After 1.
Oh Lord, we've been on the road from morning, so I didn't know when we cross over to afternoon. But anyhow, Chappy would have asked us for a water boot, so we bought him a pier right here, and so we're taking it to him. And we also have a donor who sent some donations for him, and so we're taking it to him as well. Alright, please do remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you can be updated. Alright, you don't hear anything, Marcel?
It's alright, go on. You soon, you know, go here, I go see.
And even though the sun hot now, I know we will have rain in short order. I can feel it. Call him, see if you hear him, Marcel. Now call him.
No?
Why?
Because he's not that far. Me here. Bamboo at shoulder.
Oh Lord. Oh yeah, I see one movement on the veranda. Wow.
Same door open.
It is still like a jug or something a while ago. Like him that pour something. Not him, the jug I saw. Whew. No man. I have to rest right here, so.
Sun hot and the hill steep.
So the first school shade.
Chappy! What are you dealing with? Yeah. Why are they sick? They feel not sick come out of the house, man. Yeah, though.
Chappy on one boat.
Yeah. Come the right time when the boat has sailed. Yeah.
Boat man on one.
Where come out again?
Well on, Chappy, don't move, come here.
Start you.
Don't move.
Oh Lord.
Oh God.
Not much.
Yeah.
What's up?
Where I come from?
Yeah.
I don't want to go to Somali long there, that Baton Road.
What you want to do?
Go Somali Baton Road.
What you custom for?
Girl, arrange with me.
But you don't have to go custom. Just make them stay, man.
I'm not blind, I farm blind. Well, you know, I don't see what I want to me. I doctor catch that one and I just a glimpse this away. I go and see him, you just take me out of the already, you know.
Oh no. So that you left go try go do?
You know what I say?
Oh, you come.
No man. You know that me go down there. Don't just office me go, you know.
Yeah, cook.
Dumpling and yam tool come out of banana.
A soup you cook?
No man, I cook.
See my cut up.
Saltfish me fry. It depends on the end.
Take that off and stop, man. Fire catch it.
This. Listen here. Morning, son. Give thanks.
Afternoon now. Might as well just tell me down there, so me just say morning too.
Yeah.
Chappy have on your blouse for wrong side.
That me I say one girl I say I must eat me never cuss me further. Me never get to cuss me further. I must eat good God in me go say. I know who me never know say him, you know. Me know say him man, me like proper cussing man. Come that make you know say although me that make me talk some ice in them.
That talk me.
Talk some ice in them, you know. Have to take care of some ice in them.
Oh, so you come and start cook same time, not even your bag you not get to put on.
Yeah, my bag me not take off, you know say right now.
You're hungry.
I come up hungry, yes, I'm going to tell you right now.
The paper drop in there, where Chappy?
One lady.
You drop the paper and I pack over.
No, man.
Yes, please, in there.
Okay, take out the phone. That one woman, the lady say, call me. Third week of this month, so. I look. And I turn it on. I look for here, them has in a bag for them, so I not take off the bag. I just come in still. Get one bag of molasses. I have to take a pill them in a brother, because you to mad me.
Oh.
Man, I pill then every night I just a dream, so I think when I know I'm not a dream.
And I feel do it?
I must sit and shut my nerves further, man.
So since you stop taking, you have the dream stop?
15 that month I meet up. I was 2 days now. And last night I get a better sleep.
Oh.
You see, so I say, oh, you know, I say, I have to go. I'm going to get one box of molasses and boil the molasses, the banana and the sour sap, as you say. And take time, mix it, some hot sauce and take time.
Yeah. You sleep better?
I get a better sleep last night, man. So I say, I nah go back for you know. And then I want to go back for more. 4 months. 4 months up here already, brother. I still had
I think
2 more paper them from there back. Nah, go back.
So your dream stop now? Like
It
you're not taking?
not stop, but it won't stop so quick still, so sudden, but me get a better sleep last night, man.
Oh, okay.
a better dream.
Yeah, a better dream, yeah. It's a better sleep.
Better sleep.
And the night before a mango, my jeans, it cover off the whole of my very hard. Ripe mango, every type of mango. Greens, I can see black, robin and mango, I say they're red, this. And one man, I see one dead man, Job. Job. Every night I meet dead people in my dream, brother. So I say, must see someone go away.
Oh.
Who's on go away?
Me.
Where you go?
I'm a guy in no man's land. But every night I dream so much people, so all like old people them about the place me dream see. Everybody. All who me do it.
Who died?
Yeah. Too much of them dream, brother. Them is supposed to go on.
I don't know go sleep.
Oh yeah, say man, then if me not sleeping, I must worse.
You have to pray.
Why that's why I have to take a pill, man. So I say me pray and go to my bed. And I get certain vision when I get nothing right. Although man, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we listen to a man Sunday morning and the man give a prayer. On FM. And the man say, God make your vision. But I say get up yesterday morning, man, and I say, Father God, if I them the vision, I forget, man, the worst vision of my life. And the night before last night, I had a sentence, and when I take a sack of writer, I come up. And the sentence, I see red dot. So I go up on some hill or some place, I want to jump. So jump make stuff gone up, and I go up, I see a water jump. I come back down, I say, I ask my woman, say, which part in can direct me for you if you go and you up. Although a school hill, them didn't say them a build one school one. I never know what I want building, and I say I must see food shop people in them along a high school. And this walk and come up and go up and take a sack of some bleak down and boy down there to the rock stone, say what for them come. And one year boy, if me know say I can say if me know say that they are coming to fight me. I chew a stone at a time, one man say that white me see, and my good man. I chew a stone at a time, me see. Now me vision.
So you overpower him?
Right away. He my bad man, he say, if he may see, you know. In the fight, me still, you know.
Oh.
You get some vision, man, you know, in the proper rate, brother. Me just stop take it, brother.
Okay, so maybe you, oh Lord. So the pill was for what? For the pain?
Before the doctor them did, if you have one X-rays now they do. If you have them there a center and everything. That time you come much people are come a center. I'll have to lift gas sparring if you do X-ray.
Oh.
If they make X-ray and me answer me what to do, give me people suffering on pill for me like I'm a madman. And it make me worse.
Yeah, it not work.
Nah, by time I go to work and come in, yo, at the time I be done. I mean, say me not to do no work then. Me can't make me take me top take it, brother, and me decide say not me banana. So I stop and I go buy your back and molasses in the corner there.
Yeah.
Me buy one already and they done, but the money is lower. Get a come money and me just cut and buy. Yeah, I don't spray and me buy one back and spray and say. You have to clean up here again. I mean, they still a give thanks still now.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Thanks still.
Yes. Alright, so Chappy, you asked us about water boots, so we buy one and bring it for you here.
Oh, that's a blessing, you know, man.
Yeah, see it here.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
A blessing, brother. Hope it's our choice me go now go me say.
Yeah.
Yeah, before you say.
Okay, now you have one water
I have a
boot.
water boot here for me. Thank you, no man.
Yeah, man. Welcome. I live, you know.
Yeah, man. That's my business.
Yeah.
Take time, put socks night and go.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me give thanks and me really want it.
Yes.
Last one I buy, I think you buy give me.
Yeah.
I sit down right here, so I put it down there so I know wear yet, you know. I 2 foot burn up, half a hit burn up.
Oh no.
Yeah.
How?
Man, I sit down here, some man I think some foolishness, I don't even know what kind of foolishness, but I talk foolishness, but I mean, I say nothing, no go. So I sit down here, so sit down, one fire pot there like this and say I run out and see when me look at fire like I just say up and hang up. A fire just have go up on it to blow and look around it. 2 foot of water about it, but
The cold part, you drop it near the cold part.
yeah, you know, see, so if I was to come over and put some black plastic in there right there, so and take it around this and the most everybody up.
Oh no.
Yes, Father God.
Yeah. So and also Chappy, we have donation from another donor and she sent it, she said it's towards your roofing.
Oh my God.
Yes.
I tell a man, say boy, okay, one time I go out, you know man, your people take care of me, you know man.
Yeah.
Me wonder. I in a year up to since me a couple, I got me say me pass all Miss Betty shop to the one I shop me I go. I wonder how my people are mind search so and how they behave so. Nobody in a year come like they know like you or they know check for you or you go out and here see people I want to say elder me I take care of elder yo. Me go out the road me tell you say at 12 years me I travel right now and me one can go anyway. Anyway.
Yeah.
Come and go ask question of people. Some people tell you say if you take time walk.
Let's see I walk like you're afraid.
Nothing do me. We have a stick but me walk like nothing do me.
Yeah.
I say take time walk but they see me nah people go on. I will me see how one take him on the road and come out the taxi man and him go over bank out and I straight cross the road upon what thing. Where's where can me go? And just tell me walk on this and I just go on and walk. When me say you see if bank over there so the bank there so me say you make me catch I cross here so maybe find where me I go.
Yeah.
And he say my work I bank there so me say alright. And when he come and lift me so I turn so me just go down so and turn and he say go I willow tree. You see what willow tree there over top. And I ask 2 more questions and go down and find where me I go. Easy.
So when you did go, did you want go? You never get nobody to follow you?
Me never, he never come. Until night him go to relax and she never come.
Oh.
And I go back down there since that. 2 trips I make down there.
Yes.
And then go down, I go Jackson Town Tuesday too.
Okay,
I
okay.
go down there last week Monday, and I go down there Jackson Town Tuesday.
Yeah, go and go down by yourself though, man.
I mean, man, at 12 years, I say I do it, you know. And I got on June.
Yeah.
I go back a Dr. June.
Okay,
You want to go to tell him about one doctor, don't call him out. And I tell him, say, me find a way. Go and know, say, doctor in my town.
Yes.
I mean, I go and ask 2 questions, I have to find a way, man.
All right, Chappy.
People love you at the road. Me say to them, people love you at the road.
Yeah, yeah. But when they're home, you not get the same.
No, I don't see nothing. I'm not trying to just fuel for people in our way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so as I say now.
Get back to your cooking.
As I say now.
Remember if you say thanks and big up your donors them.
Yeah. I tell you, man. I tell you, say, sometimes I want to send special blessing for them, but that you don't know sometimes too. Yes. God know, man. I tell you, man, then all the people send all some clothes every day, man.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, say, man. Yeah. So, what they see me move still, no, they say nothing to me, you know. So, my customer tell you, I can't cook more, I can't wash more. Yeah, I can't do nothing more. I just chew my eyes.
Yeah.
Me a farm sick every day, me a ride bike. Every day, me a ride bike.
You used to ride bike, no?
I'm a driver, I'm a ride bike, and now I can't ride bicycle, brother, I'm a farm.
You like to walk on your bike or your bicycle?
Me have vehicle drive.
Yeah.
Can't tell no lie. They have to find money, give me a price of 5 or 3 quarters to buy vehicles and pay them back. Me a farm. Life can't so sweet, man, I a farm, man. Eh?
Yeah.
Farm. Full.
Yeah.
Look upon the house I live in. I'm a farm. You mean farm in a lot?
Yeah, farmer.
Gee, not paying no attention to that, Chappy.
Sometimes I make you grieve, brother, because you know big them nothing personal.
Yeah.
You ask, as I say, yo, I'm talk, man.
Yeah.
I'm a talk, brother. That's you.
Yeah.
No, nobody bad man.
Yeah.
You talk.
One lizard just come in. Come on, fetch chair. One lizard from the chair.
Me say, me don't know where I come from, you know, one lizard they were standing, I jump down all the night and hear me jump past stove.
No, sir.
And then 2 of them, you know, I said some poison, so poison for rattles, and I want kind of see. Me say, let's say me come here, so me hear run, got me a fair shake this. Me say, then what kind of lizard this? And I must say, food me start look over. I must say, come for feed food now.
Jump all over the place.
Alright, but Chappy, now keep that on the stove because you don't want fire catch it, you know. There's something there in front where me see I use.
Yeah, that's some kind of jokey for sometimes you have to take whole pots.
Alright, Chappy, sister, you're busy, so we are going to run to you here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright, as usual, I just want to say thanks to all our donors.
Yeah.
Much love and blessings and appreciation as well.
Yeah,
alright, so until next time, we thank you so much for making it a little Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Thank you, man, and thank everybody, man, and thank the blessing of God for that live for them, man.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man. I don't even know if I say thanks.
Yeah.
But me thank them.
Yeah. Well said.
Yeah.
Never sit and go over, say, no.
Yeah, but yeah, come back and meet you up.
I say, so what's up, you know, I say, man, but they tell me, say, it's what's up, young. My thick grade when Tuesday, Wednesday, I go over ground and I smell it. Yeah, me blow, you know, say, so what's up, ready?
Mind the maca tree the way I pass.
So close to there, so I walk as a...
Why you continue to walk there?
We can't walk nowhere else.
This is a clear path. But just that in the way.
I say when we go over there, I start search, with the stick and search, you know, I say, yeah, I go so, put me on the ground, see him as I put on my hand, I saw what's up, and tell me, say the right or so. Say if you drop him, must the right off. See him as I go down, I saw what's up, right, and put me on there, you know.
But you have a merengue too,
Yeah. You know, say, a man one. But a man one, a man merengue for.
You have one and you don't put on no pad, you know?
Aye, a man one.
Yeah.
I hit a man. You don't put on no pad.
So you get this woman one.
I just say I don't cause me go. You know, so me a merengue seed over here for more 10 years now, you know. Me plant one right, I one did go right, just catch a boat so now, but me go there yesterday. I chop and me no see it.
You weed up alongside?
No, you don't man unless I yesterday. Can't dead down back. I did 2 because you plant a lot less than one grow. I'm saying, master. Can I eat you one more? You know, eat you, you know. So look at trash panic.
That hill there.
When you eat you one more, but you know, get no more. This a ground type. Might me find him up with a steel.
Oh, so you dig and cover it up back with the trash.
That grown?
No man, the way I don't plant it.
I'm gonna plant back over here, so.
That you have to eat it when it's hot.
Me
No,
take it.
you see that, yeah, it's soft, it's cool.
Oh, okay.
It's soft.
Give me Chappy. Thank you.
I think I have a piece more up there, so you know. Let's see if I can find it.
Take time, Chappy. Oh boy. Guys, Chappy run out with us because him saying have yam fury. So him end up back in his farm.
Yeah man, I say one piece of yam with daily, so you know. And is that me give a piece more and just still but that's what it done. Since me find a yam fee. Since man find a yam.
You know the farm. You don't find it?
I'll find it, man, but I don't remember directly. Let me put it, but I'll find it.
You cut that here already? Eat that one.
You see it? Now let me come down.
I do, you have search here.
2 yam, one more, one I like go.
One more did I? Holy.
No, do it.
Just tail through the cut and put on.
Yeah.
You plant that? Yeah, just about. Oh, yeah, caca. You got plant here.
Plant it back here.
You plant it back here?
I mean, there you go.
Yeah.
I cut it.
You're good, man. You can hear it. Thanks.
You carry this too?
Yeah, God bless you. Can you give me a man ask me I carry it too? I don't know about this now.
That may, you know. She are going to carry it. She are going to carry it still.
Where you go now, Chappy?
Now come out to the end of here.
Oh.
Give you enough yam to there.
Yeah, I come back.
Chappy plant here, I know thing I am made in there.
Plant it on the ground, make it keep cool same way.
Yeah.
Next troops say I dig a hill them and I find them and I say yo. Say them I get this a holiday.
Wow.
Can I say I
Nice.
come
I don't know
back
what to do with the other piece you give me. This one here? Oh, thank you, Chappy.
Yeah man, certain you know.
Highly appreciated,
Yes,
man.
Certain you have to look out for your friend them like how your friend.
This one ain't the plant back because the soil wet.
Yeah, man.
That's why I put it down, I put the next piece, you know.
Chappy, wait, no, come back, I wrong way.
Me remark.
Oh,
Yeah.
and it's a
You know,
hole down there, no?
You know, say every day, every day me come from so I see him place down so me turn.
Yeah, but it's a hole down
Yeah,
there.
I know.
One little fence.
Yeah.
I really hole, you know.
Oh, what?
I just broke out, I got water.
Oh,
You know, so I chop the bamboo saving.
oh yeah?
Yeah.
One there.
I chop your saving, man. You see, you me up here, you say, I son hot, I say, you not dig no park, you know. I sit down there and chop around when I back I house, so I say, mosquito them, kill them, and I take pass to brush down like that. After that, I go in the house and lie down like that. And then I shot my machete and come out.
Oh, okay.
And I say, I go for the bamboo root there, you know. Then I make it grow back, I'll kill it.
Oh, yes, you're back.
And yes, I go on. No one no more chili, so. So I'll cut it down, I'll burn it. And I'll spray
Okay, okay.
and get rid of it down low. So I'll put it around this, so I'll put more hide up. So you can see.
Okay, okay.
Yes, man, so I give thanks now. You take back the mic now.
We soon take it. Thank you so much for the yam. We appreciate it. All right, so guys, thank you so much. Thanks to our donors, everybody who watch us and support us. Much love and blessings, and we appreciate everything that you do.
God, no.
All right, so until next time, thanks so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for your ground tour, Chappy. Never planned for the farm today, but somehow we end up out there. Yes, man. All right. Okay, we can't take him out now.
Yeah.